Welcome to another episode of series traditional and gardening series. Today we are visiting Vani in Arlington. She lives in Dallas and Texas basically. And I know during these COVID times it's really crazy to even do anything. We didn't want to meet, but then again I really wanted to show you how she has her traditional touch to everything that she does, and it is a simple thing and I really get inspired by it, and I wanted to see if that you also get to see everything how we do it, just like in India and the other parts of the world, how we do and follow tradition, and with the small simple things in our own homes during these COVID times. So I have my mask on, but I'm just putting on the side, and we're going to maintain social distance, and I'm going to check with you. Today we are going to visit Vani's house and get to know Vani, how she follows some certain traditional things that she learned from her home in India, and also we're going to look at her garden. And we are all diehard fans of her gardening, and I really wanted you all to benefit from today's episode. Welcome. Here we are at Vani's house. Lovely girl. She put this is called rangoli, and she's used butterfly pea flowers and mango leaves on the side, and she even has used some banyan leaves. Hi Vani, how are you?
Hi Sirisha, welcome.
Thank you. Come inside. So here you have some. What are these flowers, Vani? I see that
It's
you have some
oleander flowers.
oleander flowers, and you have
butterfly peas,
Yeah, and you have
mango leaves and people leaves.
All these are from your home itself, Vani?
Yeah, they're all from garden.
Very nice. You look so pretty, Vani. So is this your kanchi pattu sari? Nice. It looks so pretty. Thank you so much. I know it is during COVID times. I will make sure I put my mask on.
Thank
but
you.
Since I mean, it's up to you how you want to deal with, or you want to put a mask or not. Thank you so much. And we basically back home in India we have this tradition of putting turmeric, and this is not rice flour. We use rice flour
It is
over
rice
here, but back home we learn to do this with white chalk powder. So why do we do that is to make sure insects don't enter our houses, and all of that. Turmeric is known to kill all these things. So Vani has nicely done this even here. It is not an easy task to do here in the US, and she follows tradition to the core. Thank you, Vani, for letting us come to your house today.
Please come.
Here we are at Vani's puja room, and this is so beautifully done. As you see, she has all the gods nicely set up over here with some nice artwork too. So today we will have an intimate discussion on how and why she is so inspired with her gardening and her traditional way of doing things. So, Vani, thank you so much again for inviting us to your house. And I know it's not easy during COVID times, but thank you so much. So, if you can tell me a little bit about yourself, how long have you been here, and how you're able to do pujas every day and keep the tradition alive the way you have?
It's been 25 years we're here in this country. We are past 25 years we're in Dallas only, DFW area,
That's good.
and yeah, following the traditions. Family and my mother and father, they inspired us a lot by doing what they do at home, and we try to maintain the same thing here too,
Okay.
and to do the puja every day. These flowers are lacking so much in our puja room, so the garden was
Helping you.
helping us.
Very good. So
to do
I've
the
known
puja in the home.
I've known Vani for almost, I don't know, 15, 16 years or more than that right now. At least 20 years. And she's been always like this and an inspiration. So small things. I'm going to show you very closely, and I'll ask Vani to show you closely her puja setup. Like she says, she's inspired by her mom and her dad doing all these things growing up. And Vani, some of the flowers that you have here, have they been from back home? Have you been doing pujas with them back home in India?
Most of them.
Most of them. Yeah. Here is Vani's puja room. It is amazing to see so many colorful gods nicely set, and if you see, she has used flowers to decorate. And
These are the butterfly piece flower, and I made the garland for Ambal and Murtis here.
I see, Vani, all these flowers that you have here, the plumeria flowers,
Plumeria
flowers,
flowers.
sorry, and they are found a lot in India, Hawaii, and all these places.
Yes,
Correct?
they are called Devaganeru in India.
Devaganeru. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. And I see you have a
And
lot
these are
of
called mallis. They are like 5-layer mallis. They are
jasmine,
small
5-layer jasmines.
jasmines.
Yeah, very
And
pretty.
I use it for Shiva Puja every
For
day.
Shiva Puja. I do see you do have a lot of Shiva. You do have tile also on Shiva and Rama. Very beautifully done.
Yeah.
So this is over a period of time you've accumulated all of this, or like
Most of these are from India. We got it when we went to India. We got it in our.
So I see a very
Trips.
nice art piece over here. Did somebody in the family draw that, or?
This is my close friend Saumya. She is a very good artist, and she draw it for me for Ambal. This is called Sachamara Ramavani Savyadakshina Sevita.
Okay.
So Lalita Devi is with Lakshmi and Saraswati serving her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Very
and this is Shankaracharya, and that's
and there is
Paryava.
Shiva also on the seat.
Is Shiva and Brahma and Vishnu.
Okay.
They are all
Everybody
sitting
is
her, holding her Simhasanam.
Very beautifully done. Very beautifully done. And you do your prayers. I see that you have Rangoli over here also. Very beautifully
Yes.
done. And these are simple flowers from India, but are very rare flowers here. Why? Because it takes a lot to make all of these. Get these flowers over here. Lot of affection towards trees to get them. Vani, is there any specific thing you want to talk about your flowers before we go into your garden?
No, not regular plumerias.
I also
and,
see you
these
have
are
a big-
butterfly peas.
I see that you have
and,
Grand Duke over here.
Grand Dukes and jasmines.
Very pretty.
Right now it's off season for jasmines, but lot of flowers in the backyard.
Yeah,
You know.
perfect.
Yeah, we have tumi flowers for Shivan, and we got bilopatri every day, tulsi every day. We use tulsi dalam and.
I think you also have Rudraksha plant over in your house, right?
We have
Yeah.
Rudraksha plant.
Very
also.
blessed to even have a plant and be able to, nurture the plant, because not everybody gets an opportunity to nurture it or even get the plant first of all. And you are doing a wonderful job. Does your husband help you, Vani?
Of course, definitely. Without his help, I can't do anything.
Okay. Yeah,
We help
it's
each
interesting. It's
other.
a family thing.
Yes.
Gardening is not just one, it's a family
Yeah.
thing. So do the kids also like, do you have kids?
Sometimes kids, I have 2 kids. Both of them, sometimes they help.
Very
Not
good.
every day, but you know.
But it is your
When time
passion
allows,
that keeps
yes.
you going with the gardening.
Yes.
Excellent. So today we have looked at Vani's puja room. Thank you so much, Vani, for sharing. You see a lot of beautiful flowers. We are going to go into Vani's garden and get to know Vani and her gardening. So this is one part of Vani that has inspired me, and I hope you also get inspired and do pujas every day, because it brings you peace and serenity to you during these times, and you are at bliss. How do you feel, Vani? Does puja help you?
Of course.
Very good.
And we do like this similarly every day.
Every day?
No, it's
It
not
is.
today is not anything special. Every day we pretty much do the same way.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you so much.
सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुच्चता उज्जद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाशाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमध्यब्रह्माण्डमण्डला चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागा सौगन्धिकलसत्कजा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्कापमृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका